What's up everybody, Jonathan at Rimz1. Today we are talking about new sizes, new styles, and just all around badass wheels. In front of me we got the Fuel Triton, the D581. On my right, we've got the 20x12. This thing, guys, is selling. This is flying out the door. If you haven't seen this wheel, if you haven't heard about this wheel, you've been living under a rock. There's no other way to say it. Over here on my left, we've got the 22x14. This thing's got a monstrous lip on it. Both of them have a big lip, but the 14, obviously, if you're wanting to go a little bit wider, be that little bit deeper of a lip, that's where to go. -76, -44. Guys, these things are selling and they are moving. Okay, this is the main competitor to the 544 BM. Which one came first? We'll never know. We'll never know. But guess which one is dominating the market right now? It's definitely going to be the 544 BM, not it's the D581. Check it out. This thing's got an awesome finish on it. Gloss black, milled. Can't say enough about it. 2214, 20x12. Fuel said, wait, Jonathan, we're going to do something for you guys. And I was like, okay, I'm ready. I was thinking, oh, 2412, 2414, 2416. I was wrong on all of it. They brought the honcho out. They brought out the 2612. Guess what? They still make 35s for this, so you can run a 35, 1350, 26, 26x12 on your 6-inch lift on certain applications. This thing looks awesome. It looks killer. Kyle's gonna get some awesome up-close shots about it. But oh my God, guys, I cannot talk enough about it. This thing took my breath away. I think the wheel, the bigger it gets, the better it looks. The deeper cuts, it just looks incredible. 2612, we got them in stock. These things are gonna be moving. This is where it's going, guys. This is 2015, 2017, 2018 to 19, baby. Get the newest, freshest stuff before everybody else in your town does. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our website, rimz1.com. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. If you have any questions, call into 1-800-710-9411 or DM, PM us. We'll get you guys handled. Later.